Okay, guys, I'm going to show you something I learned on DIY on the house guy on YouTube. It is changing out your self-draining vacuum breaker. I was having a problem because this part right here was still on the spigot, and when it's on there, it looked like it was built into the spigot, that it wasn't a separate piece. So I went to the store and bought this, and it would not fit. So the DIY house guy showed this PK1390 fine threader, but he also showed how to remove this top piece when it doesn't have the screw, because if you can see, mine does not have a screw, and that's what threw me off. I thought that was built in, because when I tried to undo it, it was really tight, like it didn't have any movement. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So there's the spigot, and it looked like just like this. So it's not righty tighty lefty loosey, it's the opposite. But it was on so tight it actually looked like it was built into the spigot, that it was part of the spigot. So it's real hard to get it off. But I took my time. So this is a right turn to get it off, and that's what I learned on that DIY guy. And then you can put this one on there, and I did put an Allen screw right there, because I don't want to deal with that screw breaking off like it's supposed to and then having to drill it out later if I have to replace it again. So this part is actually this part up here. So like I said, that's what was throwing me off. So anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and replace this one. And screw that one back on there. All right. Then I can get to that with the little Allen wrench and tighten that up. And that's it. That one piece made it very hard to figure out how to replace this. Because like I said, it looked like it was built in, and it was not built into the spigot. It was just very, very hard to get off. Like he said, sometimes it's Loctite is on there, a red line. Mine did have some red stuff there. But that fixed it. And I went twice to the store getting this thing, trying to fit it, and it just sits right on top. That's why it wasn't working, because those two are the exact same piece. Okay. All right. And that's it.